as a reflection during this Easter Sunday, we need to heal each other. We need to lead. Importante yan. And we need to serve our countrymen. We need heroes right now in this particular moment in time. Yan ang kailangan natin. And after a while, we will find our purpose. And finding your purpose is not enough. You need to be a hero in the real sense of the word. And tell your family that you love them. Kung hindi nyo pa nasasabi tomorrow, celebrate it simply because life humbles you habang tumatanda tayo. But love everyone, but never sell your sword. Huwag nyo ibebenta ang karangalan nyo. Kailangan pa rin natin yan. So, ano ang measurement ng buhay ninyo? Now, isipin mo by which particular measure or metric na ikaw ay huhusgahan ng Panginoon. Think about the metric by which your life will be judged and make a resolution to live every day so that in the end, God will judge you based on what you do to other people and not what you have done to yourself.